Yeah, my name's Pete, and I've been taking lessons for 6 to 8 weeks with this teacher. I've enjoyed the experience very much, and I feel I've picked up quite a bit. Yeah, I've played rhythm guitar for quite a long time, a great number of years, and I've gone to open mics and played there, but I've never really got the hang of lead guitar. And I've always admired the guys that see playing lead on the videos and that, the likes of Joe Walsh and Eric Clapton, etc. And I've really tried hard to teach myself, but never got there. But having been to these lessons now, and simply learning the 5 boxes of the pentatonic scale and putting them together like really good. Well, like I say, with the lead playing is something I've always wanted to be able to do, and I'm finding it a great benefit. Sort of aiming towards playing lead more and being confident in playing it, and just sort of going back to the roots, learning the scales and putting them together is a bit of an accomplishment for me. But I just didn't know how to go myself, and trying to do it from books and videos, finding it very rewarding that I'm able to do what I am after just 6 weeks. I'd say definitely go for it. It's a very good teaching method, and if you're struggling with anything like I was, he's very good at showing you how to do it.